Let's talk about the BABELIO White Noise Machine. Now, this white noise machine is not like any of the rest, and I'll tell you why. We're even going to compare it to one of the most popular white noise machines on the market so that you can hear the difference yourself. Most white noise machines on the market use an AC system, and this includes Marpac, one of the most popular white noise machines on the market. The difference is, an AC system could eventually cause heat or even a bad smell in the air. A DC system is different, and the BABELIO white noise machine uses DC. DC motors have low power consumption, with little to no electricity being used, and they're not prone to heat generation. DC motors can also achieve higher speeds. Compared with products that use AC motors that only achieve up to 2 gears, DC motors, including the one that's in the BABELIO white noise machine, can achieve up to 4 gears and have louder sound. If you're like me, you won't be able to hear the product. So let's go ahead and listen to the two compared. First, let's listen to the BABELIO, and then we'll listen to Marpac. I'll let you be the judge of which you think sounds better, but I personally prefer the BABELIO white noise machine. To me, the sound is just really great. It does have a real fan, it's easy to operate, it has 4 levels of volume, and it's also got a memory function to where it can remember the exact volume you like it at. This is something, aside from the looks, that I really appreciate. I do think that this fits in with most home decor as well. It's got a simple, sleek, and modern design that goes with just about anything. As someone who enjoys sleeping with a white noise machine and having tried lots of different brands over the years, I have to say that this one is definitely worth checking out. Be sure to check out the link in the video description for the absolute best price on one of these. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out in any way, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you later.